What's good? It's AP. 1 in a billion and I'm back. Woo, 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 woo. I'm serious when it comes to this ball game. But Doug McDermott, he's serious too. Not only did he score 45 points today, but he also scored his 3,000th point. Only a couple players did that in college basketball. And, I mean, wow. Pete Maravich, Mr. Pete, he's got the all-time leading points. You know what I mean? He scored like 3,600 points. I thought my brother scored a lot. He scored over 2,600 points in college. 3,600 points? That's crazy. Listen, do you think that Doug McDermott, he seems like he's legit. Do you think that he's going to be legit in the NBA, or will he turn out like Jimmer Fredette? I mean, we don't know if Jimmer is going to end up being a star eventually, because, I mean, it took J.J. Redick it took him a while to get used to the NBA, and, you know, he's a solid contributor now. So tell me what you think of McDermott. Is he going to be a star or a flop? Just tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. I'm AP, 1 in a billion, and I'm out.